All right, so I noticed that my Rainbird valve here is leaking. It's been leaking for a little while. So it's time to change the diaphragm that's inside that. And do a quick tutorial on how to do it. What you need to do is buy one of these Rainbird diaphragm kits. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out these 6 screws. And once we get it open, I'll show you what we got. Make sure you turn the water off before you start this process. All right, so I got all 6 screws loosened up on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wiggle it a little bit. There we go. It comes off, as you can see under here, this is the old diaphragm. I am going to replace that now. All right, so it is important to make sure that there's no dirt and debris on this surface. That way you have a nice clean seal. So what we're gonna do is, this has a guide on it and it will fit right around those rings right here. That'll make sure that you get it in the right place. And then you're gonna come and install the top part of the valve here with the new hardware they gave you. 6 stainless steel screws. Okay, so like a wheel or anything where you're tightening down multiple screws, you're just going to want to lightly seat each of these screws. Don't tighten them all the way down. And then we're going to rotate around the edges, going in a star pattern, and tighten. That way we get even tightening across all screws. So once I got this tightened up, that's all done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And oh, one more thing before we go. Those old screws that came out, I'm gonna go throw those in my bolt bin. They are still nice stainless steel screws, so they'll come in handy sometime. Good luck, stay safe. Thanks for watching.